buying a house in 2025 is a terrible investment compared to investing in the market. Obviously, I don't own this house, I rent, and by the numbers in 2025, if I were to buy this house instead of renting it, my monthly expense would almost double. It's like pretty bad. And I realize that not everybody's in the same situation, not everybody's in the same housing market, but hear me out. It used to be you were buying a house on a 10-year mortgage, a 15-year mortgage. Now it's a 30-year mortgage, and I don't want to own and grow my equity, and one day I'm old and I'm rich, right? I want to get rich quicker, and I know you cannot get rich overnight, but the stakes of the games have changed. You combine that with interest in the first years, depending on your down payment, you're just paying interest. I mean, you get to a certain net worth, maybe it makes sense for freedom reasons, but then all of a sudden you got to deal with all the problems instead of having someone else who's obligated to do it. But check it out. I understand leverage is so important. Let's check out the place, by the way. I understand the importance of leverage, and that's one of the things that housing gets you. However, it comes with really high insurance, really high interest. It also comes with a ridiculous commitment of 30 years compared to, instead of taking $100,000 and putting it down on a $500,000 or $1 million property, I could take that $100,000 and I could buy stock market futures. Now, when you're trading with leverage, you need to be a little bit intelligent, use stop loss and stuff like this. But I could take $100,000, put it in the market, get 10x leverage, and pay zero interest, and pay zero interest. A free $1 million loan. That's what I'm doing in my trading system. And obviously, I'm not going to make money every day. It's volatile. But I would rather pay no interest on my $1 million loan than an absurd amount of interest. And I understand there's tax advantages to buying a house, but you can also do that with buying stocks too. You can also never sell. You can also buy and never sell. So to me, that's not an argument. What do you think? Comment down below. I mean, I get it. If your skill set is in real estate, especially if you have the ability to, or connections to fix things up quickly, maybe it makes sense for you. But if you have skills in the market, it's a hard ask for me to take so much money and put it into something that's not going to return the same. And again, it's the time that we live in with interest rates. Anyways, you want to check out my trading system that I'm using, comment MTP down below, and I will show you. Check it out. Okay, so comment MTP down below, and I will show you